don't pack away your summer wardrobe just yet, because today I'm showing you exactly how to layer and style your favorite warm weather pieces so they work all year round. If you're like me, you love your summer wardrobe, but as the mornings get a bit crisper, you might think it's time to hide it all away. Well, think again. Today we're talking about white jeans, the great denim switch, how a simple change in your footwear completely transforms your vibe. Let's dive in. So this is a summer dress that most of us own, whether it's a midi length or a maxi length. You can take this dress, wear it with a pair of sandals. It's really effortless for the daytime. But if you want to take this to the evening, this dress also looks great when it's paired with a very classic sling bag, some nice jewelry, still keeping it really light, airy, sophisticated, and you can go places with this. But watch what happens when you get rid of your sling bags and swap it for a pair of boots. I've changed my shoes to this gorgeous soft leather ankle boot, which is super comfortable to wear with just a small heel that works perfectly for fall. To keep the chill off, I've layered with this very on-trend bomber jacket. It's a short bomber jacket which I've further tucked into this belt as a focal point. It's got beautiful movement which I haven't changed at all. Kept myself warm with this bomber jacket. To finish it all, I've added this gorgeous suede sleek bag so that it doesn't clash with the oversized bomber jacket that I'm wearing. So let's start with a piece most people think is strictly for summer, the white jeans. In the heat of the summer, a white jean is a lifesaver. You throw them on with a simple tank or a little breezy v-neck linen top, a little vest, throw on some open-toed sandals. You're perfectly cool for the summer weather. But how do you make them work for you in autumn? It's about balancing your textures and making them work. We could swap this out for something like a tailored jacket or a crop blazer or even a nice textured knit, which would pair really well with these white jeans. You can swap out your open-toe sandals for a nice rich fall color. Change your bag if you'd like to. You'd be all set for some nice autumn chic. Now I've swapped out the vest for a heavier knit. The weight of this knit kind of works beautifully with the white jeans. I did keep the little tank on for some added warmth as we're going into fall. To finish off the look, I've changed my shoes, gone with this beautiful cognac pair of pumps, a nice cognac bag, some heavier jewelry to ground the whole thing. This, for me, is an effortless fall look. Let's talk about the absolute backbone of our transitional wardrobe, denim. Denim is inherently multi-seasonal, but the secret to bridging the seasonal gap effort lies in your color palette and in the silhouette. During summer, we tend to lean heavily into the light wash jeans like a pale blue girlfriend jean or a skinny jean or even a wide leg jean. They really do feel bright, they feel casual, and they feel perfect for a sunny day. But as we shift into fall, we want to bring in richer and deeper tones. Let's trade in our light blue jeans for some dark jeans. Let's think deep indigo or a rich dark charcoal or even a classic black jean. By switching to a darker denim, the outfit immediately looks and feels more grounded and autumnal, even though I'm still wearing a lighter top on a warm September afternoon. The dark denim really easily lets you bridge the seasons without overheating. I've thrown on a faux suede top, keeping with the trend, a great little bag with a slightly different color, so it's not too overpowering. Fashion should be fun. Your closet should work hard for you all year round. By mixing lightweight summer textures with rich fall colors, dark denim, and the right pair of boots, your style transition will be completely seamless. Let us know in the comments below which of these 3 looks are you going to try first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more effortless styling.